I just hate seeing guys when I'm on my period. It sucks.
Menstruation fucking sucks.
Hi everyone, I'm Marie-Louise and I'm the designer of this product, Period Share. Now let me tell you something about it. Period Share is committed to breaking the taboo surrounding menstruation. Not by hiding it, but by sharing it. Designed with your health, social status and body and mind, Period Share uses the newest technology to make it easy for you to share your period with your network. Period Share features a wearable wireless menstruation cup connected to a free mobile application. The application automatically tracks your period and informs your boyfriend, your boss, your friends about your period. It can even live tweet your menstruation data. So how does it do this? We take a look inside the panties. This is the important part, the one you should look at. It's the Wi-Fi module that sends the data from this menstruation cup to the cloud.
This is awesome.
Thank you.
I love the color. Neat.
But menstruation is embarrassing. That's what we learn from society. We should hide away, that's what they say. Period Share is committed to breaking the taboo surrounding menstruation, not by hiding it, but by sharing it. So now I need your help, Kickstarter, to make this product go out into the real world. Until you have this product to share your period data, you should do it yourself. So go out there, push your cycle into the world, share your period data, and talk about it. Bye!
What are these girls doing? They're taking a stand against inequality. They're also taking a whiz. That's how they're taking a stand. For millennia, men have lorded over women their unfair advantage of simply being able to whip it out and go to town. Just zip, whip, and let her rip. Meanwhile, she has been forced to sit in an uncomfortable, immobile, and vulnerable position, bound at the ankles or knees by her skirt, pants, or panties. Often on toilets so disgusting that only the tedious process of mummifying John makes them tolerable. Men turn their backs on us and go wherever and whenever they want, while women have to either wait for a usually nasty bathroom or get out of sight and then drop, squat, and squirt. Does this look equal to you? We're both just peeing. Female friends everywhere, for years you have not been able to pee freely, but today you are free to pee as you please with the great equalizer of men and women, Ms. Whiz. Ms. Whiz is a female urination device, the modern woman's weapon against inequality and unsanitary toilets. She's the quick, clean, comfortable way to go when you can't or don't want to sit. Just hold Ms. Whiz over your business and you're in business. You be the hero. Enjoy the freedom to pee standing up. Ms. Whiz is the safest, cleanest way to go in an unsanitary environment. And Ms. Whiz is made of hypoallergenic silicone, ergonomically designed, so there's no flowback, splashing, or spills. Ms. Whiz loves the great outdoors. Whether you're camping, hiking, skiing, biking, boating, whatever, well, Annie, get your good. No more interrupted fun to go find the bathroom. With Ms. Whiz, all you have to do is learn how to aim. Join the cause, take a stand, and take a...
Being a mom is not easy, especially if you're breastfeeding and managing a career. Today, I'd like to make it easier for you. This is Anya. She's the reason I'm making this video. I can't stop working because I like living in a house and having food on the table, but I don't want to compromise my daughter's well-being as well, so I don't want to stop breastfeeding, whether I'm at home or in an important meeting. That's why milk pumping machines were invented, so that someone else, my husband for example, could pitch in. But there's one huge problem. Most of them suck only up to 60% of the milk because their suction cups are designed like this. Does this look like it imitates the suction of a baby? I don't have enough milk for the bottle after Anya is finished eating. My body doesn't accelerate the milk production because 40% of the milk is still left inside my breasts.
So my body thinks there's too much milk inside my breasts and reduces the milk production. Sometimes Anya gets hungry and mad, and I'm frustrated because I can't do anything to help her. I looked for a pumping machine that would pump 100% of my milk, but I couldn't find one. After hours of research, I came up with a way to make the existing pumping machines better. I met up with a genius engineer who has already designed more than 30 patents and challenged him to design one for me. 6 months later, meet Annabella. Annabella is a pumping machine that draws close to 100% of mother's milk because it actually simulates a baby's sucking motion. This spherical part, under the main opening, contains a mechanism which imitates a baby's tongue, and the upper part enables power and grip adjustment, just like a real muscle system. It has a unique patent-pending mechanism which makes you feel like a real baby is sucking the milk. The pace and the intensity can be adjusted. It's user-friendly, washable, quiet, and small. You can charge it and easily take it with you. We made sure that the production process is also simple to make Annabella affordable. Our concept has been validated by breastfeeding experts, as well as a respected pediatrician. It solved the problems I was experiencing as a first-time breastfeeding mother. It has one part that needs to be washed, and it's designed to connect with almost any bottle type. The battery allows you to pump several times before needing to charge it again. We are currently developing an app which will monitor the amount of milk pumped and recommend the optimal pace and intensity of the process. We need your support to introduce this product to the market. Millions of moms are waiting for an innovative product like the Annabella. Your financial support will help us start production. In the future, we will take Annabella to retail companies in order to distribute worldwide. We hope you're excited as we are about the Annabella. Even a small contribution will help us get to the finish line that much sooner. If you have followers on Facebook or any other social media, please share this video. Think of all the moms you'll be helping by doing so.
Don't you just love getting your period? I know I do. It's a great time to do everything I son of a bitch! Oh, the pain is unbearable!
I used to worry that my period would prevent me from doing my favorite activities. But now I
In a box! Oh, this is painful! Why the hell am I on a beach right now? This is the last place I should be.
I could take pills, but they take a long time to work. And usually they don't eliminate the pain, just reduce it. And then in a few hours, you just, it starts! Or I can use Livia. Livia is a drug-free solution to menstrual pains. How does it work? Simple. Menstrual pains are a result of a connection between your brain and your lady parts. Hello, lady parts. Get ready for some pain. No, brain, no. But then, Livia stops this connection with pulses. Dun 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 dun. Take that pain signal. Ah. The result? Livia considerably reduces and could even completely eliminate the pain. Unlike pills, Livia reduces your pain instantly.
Its effect lasts as long as you use it, and you don't develop a tolerance to it.
All you gotta do is take these 2 stickers, attach them to where it hurts, and turn Livia on. There's even an adjustable button to control the pulses according to your pain. And the whole thing is totally discreet. Oh, and it's also very cute and colorful, because we're girls. Help us fund Livia and move from this...
Oh, the pain! Oh, that is painful!
To this.
From the moment our baby enters our lives, we follow its every move, admiring each smile, sound, and smell. But then we have to go back to work, leaving it to the care of others. And we not only miss them, but we also miss out on so many precious moments, memories that will never return. That's why we've developed InVideo, the first intelligent monitor in the world that uses both face and emotion recognition technology and identifies important events in your child's day to create a daily Magic Moments clip, so you'll never miss a magic moment again. But that's not all. InVideo is packed with so many more incredible features that turn it into the most advanced monitor ever built. It notifies you when your kids return from school, or when an unrecognized person enters the room. It monitors the air quality, humidity, and temperature of the room. It sends alerts when your child is crying, and you can speak through it from anywhere you are. You can even see your baby at night and have it automatically play their favorite lullaby. And best of all, using smile detection, we store all of those lovely smiles for years. Instead of watching hours of footage each day to see if something significant happened, InVideo automatically finds these moments for you, creating a short clip.